Alrighty guys, I'm gonna try this out again. Foxxy actually wanted to see this lock. It's Ikon. That's that boy. Looks like a Ruko 4 with a red stripe. Snowman core. Really tight keyway. Key retaining. Hopefully I can get used to doing these videos. I hate reaching around all this stuff though. Alright. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get this pick from West Coast Picks. I love this thing. It's awesome for tight places. Nice handle on it too. I have not looked inside this, but there's definitely some kind of spools or something along them lines. Alright, full set going on here. Start out at the beginning again. 1. 2. Yep. That was a spool, definitely. 5. Another spool. Back to the beginning. 1. And this one is crazy. It's set up a mile. And we are open. Alright. What we got in here? Oh boy. I did not look in here before to start, but I think I can get it with a screwdriver. I've done it before. Alright. Just gotta get the right size head on my screwdriver. Too small. I can't remember what the other one was. I had to do it on a different padlock before I come across that same. I remember using just a regular flathead. I could get inside there and get it. Oh boy. You gotta love them when they're brand new. They got that Loctite in them. Alright. Cool. Oh, we got one of these clips. Alright. Follower. Should have had more of this stuff set up. I don't know why I did not. And 1, 2, 3. Geez, that's a long one. That's what she said. 4, 5. Yep, 6 pin. No pin in there though. Only a 5 pin. So I have a feeling I will be turning this into a challenge lock because I know there's only a couple spools. I'm thinking 3. A spool in 1. Long ass spring. Oh. Spool in 2. Standard in 3. Standard in 4. Oh, come on. And this will be another spool. I know what it is. Yeah. Spool. Alright. Guys in for a close up. And 3 driver spools and everything else is standard, so I will be hitting this up, I think, and sending it out as a challenge lock. Alright, there you go, Foxy.